Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we have a delightful little number called Baby's First Bourbon, which is a riff on the whiskey sour. For ingredients you'll need bourbon, nothing too strong, orgeat, lemon juice, angostura bitters, and for an added touch, almond bitters. Gather your ingredients and let's get to it. First, grab your cocktail shaker, jigger, and start by adding 3/4 ounces of orgeat. Remember, always add sugar first for easier cleanup. If you find it's too sweet with store-bought orgeat, reduce the amount added to a 1/2 ounce. Then add 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, grab your go-to bourbon and add 2 ounces. .40% or 80 proof works just fine, but it's all up to your preference. Some like it hot. Then 1 dash of almond bitters, followed by 4 dashes of angostura. Grab a handful of ice, in my case a coupful, add it to your shaker and shake vigorously for about 10 seconds. Strain into your chilled coupe. Garnish with a lemon peel or just dry